Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas and Argyle, Texas, suburb of Dallas, Texas, just below Denton, Texas. Starting out on Tuesday morning, just going to go over our day-to-day, what we're working on today here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. So what we have here is a Turbo S. This is a 22, and I already wrapped this one when it was brand new, and he sustained a little damage on one of the doors. And let me show you that real quick. So I'll get this car all cleaned up. This guy actually drives his cars. I envy that. Most of us that have these cars like this are afraid to drive them to get them damaged, but he was going down the freeway and hit something, but it didn't compromise the paint. So what we'll do is we'll remove this PPF off the door and put a new sheet. Over here is a Z06 that's just about finishing up. It's a full wrap, and we'll go over all those details and how we wrap everything in perfectly, how we don't have seams on the mirrors and things like that, and how we wrap in all our points and make everything look just fantastic. So that Z06 is finishing up. That's going to get some window film. We finish up front rear bumpers. This X5 2024, this is going to be a conversion from the gloss paints in the back, and that's the Stealth, the matte by Xpel, and we're working our way back. Today we'll finish both sides of this at minimum. This car over here, this is kind of our mascot. It's always here, full wrap. This car here, finishing up carbon fiber on it. This is a 812 Superfast, and it's got a early 70s Charger coming in here later today. Over here is a GT3 that's it had a full gloss wrap on it, and now we're gonna change it over to a matte wrap. So we pulled all the film off, and now we're cleaning up all the adhesive, and then we're gonna get it wrapped up. We took the spoiler off the back because when we wrap it, we want to wrap everything in here super tight, put the spoiler back so you don't see any lines. That's one of our mottos, no lines. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Getting ready to head into May here. I think today's the last day of April 2024. So appreciate you guys watching our channel, clearbrownorthdallas.com, and my cell for the business is 940-703-8301. If there's anything we can help you with, I'm Brent. Feel free to give us a call or a text. Thanks.